Recognizing the opportunities and challenges of change. In this unit, you will learn and understand what volatility means. Change is a crucial aspect of life, and it can have both positive and negative impacts. Getting yourself or others to support change can be a challenge, but it's possible. Getting yourself or others to support change can be a challenge, but it's possible. By acknowledging the significance of change in your life, determining achievable objectives, keeping a positive outlook, and concentrating on the possible rewards of a particular transformation, you can motivate yourself and others to endorse the change. With a positive attitude and awareness of the benefits, you can confidently achieve success with any change you make. By learning why change is necessary for expansion and success, you can develop a more receptive attitude towards the future. The goals of today's sessions are to get to know and better understand the mechanisms that govern the process of implementing change, to develop the ability to act proactively and effectively in a changing and difficult environment. Get to know specific tools for preparing and managing change. Learn to deal with the objections and resistance of others to change. Develop new attitudes and behaviors appropriate to the changing situation and environment. Be open to change and look for creative solutions. At the end of this unit, you will understand the opportunities or challenges of change. Know how to use your reaction to change and use this information to identify opportunities or challenges for change. Be able to monitor your reaction to change and understand the emotions that arise. Understand how to adapt to the constant changes in life. Making changes to your life can be difficult and requires motivation. Without motivation, it's easy to give in to difficulties and withdraw before you achieve your goals. That's why it's important to know how to motivate yourself and others to make life changes. Here are some of the key benefits of being open to change. 1. Personal development. Change requires taking on new challenges and overcoming barriers, which allows individuals to develop and acquire new skills. 2. Refreshing perspective. Making changes allows you to look at life from a new perspective, which can help you identify past mistakes and find new ways of solving problems. 3. Avoiding stagnation. Making changes allows you to avoid stagnation and monotony in life, which leads to greater satisfaction. 4. Improving quality of life. Making changes can help achieve goals that previously seemed impossible, allowing individuals to increase their sense of accomplishment and improve their quality of life. 5. Adapting to changing circumstances. Making changes makes it easier to adapt to changing circumstances, which is extremely important in today's rapidly changing world. Now that you have learned about the benefits of change, it is time to prepare yourself for it. To do this, we invite you to take part in an exercise called the Pantalon Instant Influence Method. It is an effective motivational technique that involves quick and intense engagement without prolonged reflection and thinking about a given task or goal. It is a method often used in sport and business, but it can also be used in other areas of life. Firstly, it allows for quick engagement and mobilization, which is particularly useful in situations where you need to act quickly. It can also help to overcome fear and anxiety, allowing you to achieve your goal without having to think about the long term and the task at hand. Finally, the use of this method can help to build self-confidence and a sense of control over the situation, which allows you to achieve success in various areas of life. Furthermore, this method is not about stories and metaphors, but about asking questions, about discovering what a person already has inside. This works for a simple reason. It reinforces the motivational person's autonomy and belief that the decisions they make are their own. After all, no one likes to do what someone else tells them to do. So it's easier to get motivated when a person finds the desire to change on their own. The process of using the Pantalon Instant Influence method is simple and consists of several steps. 1. Define the goal. Set a clear and specific goal that you want to achieve. This could be completing a task at work, achieving better results in sport, or doing something you were afraid of. 2. Identify your motivation. You need to find strong motivations that will enable you to achieve your goal. These motivations may be different for different people, but the important thing is that they are strong and lasting. 3. Take action. In this step, you should act quickly, without thinking long and hard about what needs to be done. It is also worth being decisive and energetic, which will help you achieve your goal faster. 4. Continue to act. In this step, you should continue to act to achieve your goal. It is worth remembering that the Pantalon method of instant influence can help you to make a quick commitment, but in order to achieve long-lasting effects, you need to continue your activities. Get a piece of paper, a pencil, or a pen. Look at the worksheet on the screen. Don't worry, you can stop this video at any time. Now fill in the worksheet. Do it quickly, without overthinking your answers. 1. Why would you make a change? 2. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much are you ready for a change? 3. Why didn't you choose a smaller number? 4. Imagine that there has been a change. What would be its positive effects? What positive would this change mean? 5. Why are these effects important to you? 6. What is the next step, if any? Changes test a person's ability to adapt and can result in success or difficulty, depending on our response. One crucial impact of change on humans is its effect on personal development. It often compels individuals to seek new approaches to handle situations, which ultimately enhances their skills and abilities. For instance, being dismissed from work may be challenging, but it might prompt a person to discover fresh prospects and acquire abilities that can aid in later accomplishments. Making alterations to one's life is an integral aspect of human existence. By embracing change, you can reap several benefits, including personal growth, professional success, greater satisfaction, and improved quality of life. Nevertheless, change is not always easy. It requires encouragement and assistance from others. To create effective change, it is essential to grasp why alterations are necessary and what they will provide in return. Communication and education are crucial for this process. Responsibility should also be delegated, and financial, emotional rewards, motivation, support, and assistance provided to help adapt to new systems and procedures. In your personal and professional life, making changes is important as it facilitates development, adaptation to changing conditions, and the achievement of goals. That's why it's valuable to adapt to changes, while keeping in mind the importance of motivation and support during the process.